Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best toolbox drawer liners in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Gorilla Grip Drawer and Shelf Liner. Gorilla Grip Drawer is one of the most popular and highly reputable options out there when you are talking about toolbox drawer liners, which makes it the perfect option for many users. The Gorilla Grip Toolbox Drawer Liner is present in the first position in this list since this is the best option for long-term usage as it is highly reliable. Coming to its size for installation, this toolbox drawer liner has a size of 12 inch x 20 feet, which should be plenty for most. Number 2. Our second best pick is B&C Home Goods Toolbox Liner. You can also consider B&C and its toolbox drawer liner if you are looking for a high-quality option which offers proper protection and grip inside your toolbox drawers. B&C's toolbox drawer liner is present in the second position in this listicle as this is another high-quality option for many buyers. Talking about its size and dimensions, this toolbox drawer liner is rated for a size of 16 inch x 16 feet, which makes it fairly large for most users. One of the best things about this toolbox drawer liner is that it is made out of rubber, which is perfect for offering proper protection and grip. Number 3. Our third best pick is Makatoyo Professional Toolbox Liner. Makatoyo is one of the newer options out there when you are talking about toolbox drawer liners, which is still a great option for many thanks to the given price tag, as it is a great entry-level option. This Makatoyo toolbox drawer liner is the cheapest option given here, which makes it perfect for all those who are on a tight budget. Since this is a highly affordable option, its given size of 16 inch x 6 feet is to be expected. Thankfully, it is still made out of a highly durable and solid polymer material, making it great for many. Another similarity between this and higher-end options out there, this one is also a black-colored option. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is CASOMAN Professional Toolbox Liner. CASOMAN and its toolbox drawer liner can be another great option for all those who want something made for long-term usage while having a decent size for installing inside your toolbox drawer liner. This CASOMAN toolbox drawer liner is present in the third position in this article because this is another highly reliable and durable option for many users. Apart from being great for long-term usage, this toolbox drawer liner also offers a size of 16 inch x 16 feet, which is also quite decent for most. To ensure that this toolbox drawer liner also offers high grip and not just high reliability, it's made out of a black-colored rubber. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Reizen Tech Max Tough Toolbox Liner. Reizen Tech is a great brand of toolbox drawer liners for those who are looking for some unique-looking options for protecting your toolbox drawer liner at the same time. The Reizen Tech Toolbox Drawer Liner is the only option given here which does not come in the standard black color. Another unique thing about this toolbox drawer liner is that it is fairly large in size, which is rated at 18 inch x 24 feet, which is much higher than others. As for the most unique thing about this toolbox drawer liner, it comes in a red color, making it look quite different. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.